everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to be going over 10 amazing gift ideas for the knitters in your life. Now this is perfect for anybody who's wanting to add things to their wish list, send this off to a loved one, or just curious on what to get this holiday season. This is in no particular order. I will also have some links down below this video for where you can find some of these. As always, if you like this type of content, make sure you hit that like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any fun videos. Number one we have is a ball winder in Swift. A ball winder in Swift is absolutely amazing when you are knitting or crocheting, making anything with yarn, and you have these big skeins of yarn. A ball winder in Swift just makes it so much easier for you to wind up those beautiful skeins into cakes of yarn. This is really great. I have some from KnitPicks that are my favorite, and I will put those links down below from you. KnitPicks even has a fun bundle that I'll put a photo right here of their ball winder in Swift. A lot of the times you can also get these on sale, so definitely check that out and make sure you hit that up for your holiday list. Now, you don't always have to go with the same brand. You can definitely go on Amazon and different types of places. There are some ball winder and Swifts. I just know from experience, I really love the umbrella Swift from KnitPicks. It's something that I've used for years and really love it, where I can recommend that one particularly. The second item that I would recommend for knitters and crocheters is the Knit and Crochet Kit. This is absolutely a game changer in terms of your knitting bag and accessories. This can be included in any type of project bag. It includes everything you need in this one little tiny kit. You have a row counter, scissors, you get a tape measure, thread cutter, double end crochet hook, cable needles, stitch savers, stitch markers, locking stitch markers, and a darning needle, all in one spot. I think that this is also great for any knitter and crocheter. Even if they have some of these tools, it's a great gift to add on to your holiday list. The next one is a neck lamp. A lot of companies have these. I just purchased mine off of Amazon. I will put the link to the one that I have down below. I think that these are great whenever you are crafting and it's a little bit darker, especially these months coming up. Does tend to get darker very early, and you can definitely have this. The one that I have actually has 3 different settings of dimness. So depending on how light or dark that you want it, it's perfect. It's great for traveling on planes. If you're doing a knit night, maybe at a local restaurant, it's a little bit dimmer. Or if you're just watching a movie at home and want a little bit of extra light. These neck lamps are absolutely great for any type of maker, not even just knitting and crochet. I would even say cross stitching, all of those. So definitely look over the neck lamps. Really great to have. Even if you already have one, I think a second one is really great. And the one that I have also is rechargeable. Gotta love that, no batteries. Fourth one is a interchangeable needle set. Now this one is going on a little bit of a pricier side, but I do think that it is a great gift to any knitter. An interchangeable needle set just means that you get multiple size of needle tips with different size of cords, an array of different sizes. There's quite a few that I would highly recommend. The 2 most popular ones that I personally love would be CROCHET and KnitPicks. KnitPicks Aluminum Prism is my top favorite, as well as CROCHET. Interchangeable needle sets are a really great gift just because in the long run you save lots and lots of money by purchasing an interchangeable set rather than purchasing everything individually. KnitPicks, for an example, does have their try it out set. So if you're not really sure first on which one to purchase, you can pick their try it sets and you'll be able to try different needles with different tips and see which one works best for you. Typically, we suggest that wood and bamboo are more for beginner knitters and metal tips are usually for more advanced knitters. So definitely get your pick, put them on your wish list, and ask your loved ones for those for the holidays. Every knitter needs a needle gauge. Now, these are types of things that you can have multiple of them. They just really help putting them in your project bag if you're not really sure. A needle gauge is just where you can put your needle and figure out the size of needle that you have. A lot of the times our needle tips, the size actually gets worn off. So this is a great way to be able to test it out, know what size of needle you have for your project. And again, these can usually be very inexpensive. Lots and lots of different shops have them. I'm sure you can get them on Amazon, different shops. But I will link some of them down below for you all. Definitely a great stocking stuffer. One is a gift card. A gift card is a great way for someone, if you're not really sure what you really want, but know that you love a certain store. You can get a gift card for Amazon and Etsy and all of your amazing, usually local yarn shops or even online yarn shops. Have fun celebrating and supporting small businesses by getting these gift cards for the holiday season. You can definitely split it up, you know, maybe $20 here and $20 there, or ask for a gift card for this one place where you can go in shopping maybe on Boxing Day. So save a little bit of extra money and get your gift cards for those places. The next one I would recommend would be blocking mat and accessories. A lot of different companies do have these, and depending on your budget, I would highly recommend getting the accessories. So the T-pins, the blocking pins, the blocking combs, all of those types, as well as sometimes even the basins. If you want to go and spend a little bit of money, that would be great. For an example, �cocoKnits has kits, Knit Picks has kits. You can buy the whole kit for yourself. If you're on a little bit more of a budget, you can go to the dollar store, Dollar Tree, Walmart, wherever, and actually purchase the kitty, what they're called, play mats, and you can use those instead of purchasing real blocking mats. Now, the perk with using real blocking mats, some of them will actually have the lines on the blocking mat, the measurements. So if you're pinning something to exact precise measurement, it can just help you make it a little bit more clear and precise. But otherwise, you can use your sink in terms of blocking, make sure it's clean and there's not yesterday's supper in there. And you can use that to wash. For the accessories, any wool wash, wool soap, really, really great for knitters and crocheters where they can use these for any and all of their projects. So this is a great resource. I will put some links to my favorite wool wash. I absolutely adore soap, and I love some bars of soap from Tuft Woolens. So I will link those down below for you all. The next one is knitting pattern books. Knitting pattern books are another great gift idea because they're simple for people to purchase, as well as you get tons of amazing patterns for a fraction of the price. There are so many incredible knitting pattern books out there that I would recommend browsing first and definitely putting those on your wish list from your local shop. Either purchase them directly from the yarn shops, or you can sometimes even purchase them from the authors themselves. So supporting small businesses as well as small makers is always great around the holiday season. Number 9 is stitch stoppers. Now these come in all shapes and sizes and themes. They're absolutely adorable. You can usually get these a lot of different places and a lot of different shops. I absolutely adore these. You can get some that are more like little hexagon. You can get some that have little, like little tiny dinosaurs and mermaids, all sorts of things. They're absolutely adorable. So stitch stoppers, stitch markers, all of those little knickknacks are really great for stocking stuffers and just kind of adding a little bit of extra touch to the yarn that you may purchase. And last but not least, yarn bowls. Yarn bowls are really great to have around. They're aesthetically pleasing. They're really pretty. You can either get them wood or even beautiful ceramic. I do know that a lot of Etsy shops have beautiful yarn bowls. You can even go sometimes to your local craft fair and you will get potters making their own yarn bowls and purchase them there. So there's a lot of different ways for you to be able to support small makers, support local, as well as get these on your wish list. Now, I want to know from you guys, what item are you really wanting this year to add to your wish list? Let me know down below this video. I know that I didn't mention yarn because I thought that was kind of a given. We all want yarn. I wanted 10 amazing items that wasn't yarn related because sometimes we're not really sure what to add on to the yarn. So hopefully this gives you a great start. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, let me know down below. I hope you all have a wonderful, fantastic, incredible day. And I'll see you guys again next time. Happy knitting. Bye.